with nappies and liners inside, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. And I haven't done one of these before, so if it's a disaster, you'll have to forgive me. And I'll show you what these reusable nappies look like. So they're well wrapped. And these are the nappies I got. Liners. And this is everything. And they came with a free wet bag, which looks good. It has an invisible zip. And this like PVC sort of lining so it won't leak, so that's great. Looks well made. And I guess this loop so you can hang it off the door or whatever you need to do. And it looks really washable. Yeah, and all the stitching looks good, well finished, so that's a nice bonus. And I got some of these liners. Now I thought I only ordered 200, but it seems they've given me 300. And these are made of bamboo. Fragrance-free, alcohol-free, chemical-free, finest quality, gentle, soft to skin, flushable, biodegradable. So they look good. I haven't used cloth nappies before, so I don't have anything to compare it to. But oh look, you can see how, oh that's lovely and soft. Very, it's a bit like interfacing is if you're sewing something. Let's see how big one is. Oh, so here's one, I'll tear it off. So easy to tear, and I guess they sit in the nappy like this, or just a single sheet. So I got 3 of those. And then this is the brand, loveecobaby. And here are their details. So that's their eBay details and a nice handwritten card. And so they're all the nappies that individually wrapped, which is great if something is spilled on them in transit, and this is what they look like. Mommy's just doing a movie, darling. Do you want to come and chat? I'm opening the nappies to see what they're like. Do you want to chat to the camera? Okay. Well, I'm just showing the camera that there's snaps.
I'll just stay careful here for a little bit.
Well, I'm just talking. Can you just wait a moment?
Okay.
And obviously all these different sizing options.
Okay, so.
And this is what they're like on the inside. And they have a spot where you can put, I'm not sure what goes in there. And then this is the liner, which is apparently 6 layers of the bamboo cloth sewn together, and that's lovely and soft. And yeah, so it sits. I'm not sure, stuffed pocket with the insert. Oh, so you're supposed to put, look, it's even got instructions in there. Can you see that clearly? Probably not. But there's the instructions. It also talks to you about how to wash them, which is great because that's important for the longevity of the product. So you just, I guess, put your liner in like this. If I can manage to do it. And that fits in there pretty well. Maybe I have a fold. Oh, there we go. So that's flat now. side snaps, which are pretty easy to clip. But this eBay site did have all the instructions when we purchased them on the screen of what to do, so I'll give them a go and I will let you know. So I've used the nappies a few times and I thought I would give you a little review while I have these screenshots from the eBay store website. First of all, I did wash them 3 times before I used them and they fit my baby fine. He's 6 months old and I do adjust the size on them, and I found that the flushable liner is great, captures all the solids. I haven't had any sort of leak through onto the nappy, but I do make sure I change him as soon as I notice he's had a motion. And so far I'm really happy with them. They do take a while to dry, especially the liner being so thick, so I've got them out as long as I can and then I put them in the dryer on really low settings. I haven't had any problems with leaking. I haven't had any problems with them smelling while they've been in that red wet bag when I've been out and had to change them. And all his clothes, like his little onesies, still fit the same. So I'll insert a picture of him and you'll be able to see how they're working. But so far I'm super impressed with the product and I would recommend it.